Deepak Kesalkar, Education Minister in the Maharashtra government. केसरकर जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूं, आज जो बदलापुर पर इतना आउटरेज है, उस पर कहा जा रहा है कि एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी है। ये कॉन्स्पिरेसी कैसे कह रहे हैं आप? किसकी कॉन्स्पिरेसी है?
कॉन्स्पिरेसी तो नहीं है मैडम, ऐसे किसी ने नहीं बोला है। उसके बाद जो एजिटेशन वहाँ पे चल रहा है, देखिए ये स्कूल का मैटर है, तो जिस स्कूल में ये दर्दनाक घटना हुई है उसके मैनेजमेंट को सब अधिकार छीन ले गए हैं। उस पर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर अपॉइंट किया गया है और जो विक्टिम है उसको अरेस्ट हुई है, उसको कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा हो, इसलिए भी द गवर्नमेंट इज़ कमिटेड फॉर दैट. That's why we are appointing a special prosecutor and taking it to the fast track as well. The kind of delay which takes place from school side, they are being punished, all their authorities are being removed, and the government officer will henceforth run the school.
But Mr. Kesalkar, let me ask you, Mr. Kesalkar, let me ask you, the SIT was set up, the public prosecutor was appointed only after the Rail Roko Andolan took place. Before that, no action had been taken. In fact, the police took 13 hours to register an FIR and 3 days to get a medical report. On the 4th day, the accused was arrested. I want to ask you, is this the normal response time for crimes against women in Maharashtra?
Not at all, madam. It never happens like that. And this matter was specially kept pending from the school authorities. That's why action is taken against the school authorities.
This has been kept pending by the school authorities. The allegation is because there is a BJP Neta involved in the ownership and on the board of the school. Is that correct? Is that the reason why the investigation, the registering of the FIR, pressure on cops, is it all explained because there is political pressure?
Madam, I don't think so, because I have personally visited this school, and the lady, senior PI who was responsible for the delay, he is also being punished. She was transferred and inquiry is going to take place against her, and I am sure that proper action would be taken against her.
But Mr. Kesalkar, you are saying I don't think so. Do you think this is enough in terms of giving confidence to the people of Badlapur, the people of this country, and the parents of the young victims? We're talking about a 3-year-old child, a 4-year-old child. And whenever there is political pressure, obviously some principal will be punished, some lower official will be punished. You're not getting into the political connections here, and those political connections very clearly mentioned by the opposition. Do you want me to name the BJP leader?
Madam, this is a grantable school and it is a very old institute, and number of different trustees are there. So I am not aware who is the trustee. But irrespective of whosoever may be the trustee, I have initiated action against them. Immediately after I came to know, I rushed to the site. In fact, in the morning, you are asking about this 2 things, those were announced by the government. Those were announced in the morning. And I have taken a press, and I have also assured that action would be taken against the school. Again, action would be taken against those who delayed the matter, and a special prosecutor and fast track school also I announced in the morning. So it was not under pressure. We want to do it, and every case that happens in Maharashtra, such case we give special prosecutor, we take it to the fast track court.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free. To think big and achieve bigger. To take India to the world and the world to India. Creating pathways of self-reliance. To stand for progress, the planet and the people. Towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.